Hello, 5th grade. This is Mrs. Taranja with the Citizenship Academy. We're on Domain 7, William Shakespeare's A Midsummer Night's Dream. Lesson 1, Shakespeare's Life and Language. Our objectives for today are to demonstrate our understanding of the Renaissance period and to exchange information about Shakespeare's life. So let's do an introduction. Who is William Shakespeare? I'm sure you have probably heard about him many times, but let's talk about what he is. William Shakespeare is a playwright and a poem writer. He is probably one of the more successful playwrights we've ever had in our world, and he's also an actor. Now, his plays were so popular, everyone wanted to see it. So even the poorest person on the street to the Queen of England wanted to see his plays. That's how popular they were. When Shakespeare began writing and performing, she was Elizabeth I, and that's why it's known as the Elizabethan era. Now, his plays were so successful. We still read about them in school, where a lot of plays or theaters are producing them. Directors make movies. They're just everywhere. And sometimes they're so different. Sometimes we can see them in current times. Sometimes they're in Elizabethan times. Sometimes they're in science fiction. It's all about how someone adapts and interprets them. So we probably have seen Romeo and Juliet set in Miami, Midsummer Night's Dream in Italy. It's so different. There can sometimes be a lot of music, sometimes they're in Elizabethan clothes, sometimes it's a cartoon, a movie, it could be with old people and young people and amateurs and professionals. Shakespeare's plays were something that could be adapted and interpreted in all sorts of different ways. Interpreted means how someone sees that production, and that's what makes it so interesting to study. So what we're going to talk about next is his language. So one of the things that he likes to write is O. Now for us, we know that O stands for the letter O, or the 0. However, in this one, it's actually an exclamation. So he would add it to some other words to give it more exclamation. So, oh, excellent, oh, weary night, oh, most happy hour. Adding that gives it a little bit more emphasis. Oh, I am out of breath in this fond chase, means to be exhausted. Oh, me, you juggler, you canker blossom, is angry. Helena, goddess, nymph, perfect divine, is adoring. Oh, monstrous, oh, strange, we are haunted, is scared. Oh, teach me how you look, is begging. Oh, spite, nasty. Oh, how I love thee, how I dote on thee, is adoring. Oh, I am sick when I do look on thee, is disgusted. Now notice, he has the same O at the beginning, but the meaning behind the rest of the words and the exclamation is different. So let's do some practice. Oh, excellent. What does that mean? My thing wants to work. There we go. Excited. Oh, weary night means tired. Almost happy hour is happy. Oh, wicked wall is angry. Oh, spite, I see you all are bent to set against me. So this is upset. So, oh my goodness, oh weary me, oh spite, you're against me. That's what he's adding to that. So this is a picture from a production of Midsummer Night's Dream. So we're going to learn a lot more about the setting and the characters as we go on. But for now, I want you to just take a look at this picture. And I want you to create, based off of this picture, I want you to complete your assessment that goes along with this lesson. And it correlates with this picture. So make sure you are referring to this picture. Now again, we do not know any other background knowledge about this play or production. So this will give you kind of an idea of where we're going with it. And we will see everyone in our next lesson.